In this video I will tell you how you can submit your sitemap on Google Search Console. In the last video I have shown how you can create Google Search Console and verify domain ownership. So let's go to the website. This is the website that I created to create my web design portfolio. If you want to check it out, I have provided the link for the website in the description, and I have also created a video on how to create a portfolio website. Actually it's a complete playlist, so you can check out that if you want. And now to submit the sitemap we will have to install an SEO plugin. The plugin I use is called Yoast SEO, and here you can install this plugin by Team Yoast. And now after installing it, you will see this option over here. You can go to the settings, and here you can scroll down, and here you will see this option XML Sitemaps. You can view the XML sitemap, and you will see these sitemaps. You may be seeing the 4 links or 5 links, so you can just copy the first link, and now you can go to the Google Search Console and go to sitemaps, and here you can copy the link and click on submit. So currently it says could not fetch, but it will be fixed after some time. So you can see I just refreshed and it shows success over here. And now let's go back and now copy the second link. Click submit. And now go back, copy the third one. So you actually have to submit all the sitemaps, so it will be easier for Google to index your pages. And you can also request Google to index any page if you want quick results. So for that you can go to your website, and here you can just open the page that you want to index, or you can open any post or maybe any product, and you can just click on this view button and you can click on copy link, and here go to the search console back, and in the search term just paste the link and click enter. And here you can see it says URL is on Google. If you see here that the page is not on Google, then you can click request indexing, and Google will take some time, and after some days your page will be indexed. So that's it for the video. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment so my video will be shown to more viewers, and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. Thank you for helping me grow. See you next time.